Today I'm making Besan Shimla Mirch or capsicum cooked with roasted gram flour. This is a really easy and tasty dish, gets done in about 20 minutes and great to enjoy for lunch or dinner. So please do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll like it. My channel all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make besan capsicum, first we are going to roast the besan. So here I have taken 4 tablespoons of besan or gram flour and we are going to roast this for about 2 to 3 minutes at a low flame till the besan starts changing in color and becomes slightly aromatic. So let's go ahead and roast the besan. We've roasted the besan for about 3 minutes now. Now I'm going to set this aside. So first for tempering we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 Kashmiri red chilies and 1 inch of grated ginger. If you just want to use ginger paste, you can do that as well. So if you're using ginger paste, just use about 1.5 teaspoons of that. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the tempering spices. The oil is now hot, so I will add the asafoetida or hing and also add the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, the fennel seeds and the Kashmiri red chilies, and we will fry this for about 30 to 40 seconds at a medium flame. Now I will add the grated ginger and fry this at a low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Next we are going to add the peppers and all our powdered spices. So here I have 600 grams of bell peppers or capsicum that I've chopped into medium-sized cubes. So about this size, like you can see here. And here are all our powdered spices. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. Also we'll add some salt as per taste. It's been 2 minutes. Now I will add the peppers or the capsicum and we will fry this at a medium flame for about 6 to 7 minutes. It's been about 7 minutes. Now I will add the powdered spices, the chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, turmeric powder and cumin powder. We will also add some salt as per taste. And then mix all of this really well together and we will fry this for another 1 to 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now I will add the roasted besan. So adding the roasted besan here and we will mix all of this again really well together so that the bell peppers are nicely coated with the besan. So go ahead and mix this well. I have mixed the besan well with the peppers. Now I will add just a little bit of water, just sprinkle some water and then we will cover this with a lid and cook this till the peppers are completely done, and keep the flame as low to medium low and make sure you keep checking in between, and if you see that it's become too dry and needs a little bit of water, then add a dash of water as the peppers are getting cooked. It's been another 4 minutes and our peppers or capsicum are now completely cooked. So our besan capsicum is ready to serve. As you can see, it's a really easy but super tasty and flavorful dish, and you can easily make that for a lunch or a dinner, and great to enjoy with roti, naan or paratha. So please do try the recipe this way and I hope you really enjoy it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.